I got past that, no problem, bro.
Hello?
What?
It's me.
Hello?
Good on you.
I told you I phoned me. I'm in Gala.
Your phone's fucking dead. Are you stupid? I fucked your back door.
Eh?
I'm going to have to pay for a new back door for you. I fucked it. I've broke the handle off.
You better know.
Oh. Fuck off. Can't even be sleeping outside tonight.
I'm on my way back.
It fucking looks like it. It fucking looks like it,
I hope you're fucking comfortable laying in that bed. Cause I gotta go to fucking work and it's freezing. I can't find my jacket. So I'm pissed off. Bitch ass. What's up? We going shopping today, bitch? Fucker. Alright. I'm going to work. I love you.
Oh, kid. That ice on it. Let me see, your clothes wet? No, it's not wet.
Okay. Even when you're in Morocco, you give me a FaceTime, I'll go there for now.
Oh, yes, you have. Hopefully you get charged a lot when I FaceTime you from another country too, okay? Alright, love, mama.
Hello. Would you like to talk about our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ?
Welcome. This is Alexa. What is the purpose of the visit?
Jesus Christ.
I can inform the resident. What is your name?
I said Jesus Christ. Right now.
Hello?
It's Megan.
Megan who?
The one with all the awesome stuff for you.
What kind of stuff?
Coffee, pussy, and juice? And cigarettes?
Next door, honey. Next door.
Hey, how you doing today? Thank you. Squirrel got in, I guess. Oh my god! Stop yelling! Thank you.
Hello?
Hello, Amazon delivery.
Can you just leave?
Amazon delivery.
Yeah, can you just leave it at the door? Can you just leave it at the door?
The door?
Yeah. Just leave there, yeah? No, come back, come back. Come back, come back. Yeah, come to the door. Oh, fuck. Come back to the door.
Ah, the door.
Yeah, leave at the door, please. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Cheers,
Thank you.
Hello.
Hi, delivery.
Great. If you just want to scan your eye in the camera there, it will buzz you in, and then we're on the second floor.
Okay.
Bit closer. No, just yeah.
It's locked. I don't know. Hurry. Oh. God, no.
Oh, shit. Oh,
Why?
Hello? Will you tell your Jerry to stop adding me into these fucking stupid group chats with bare people?
Right, for starters, don't talk to me like that. Our Cherry isn't here.
Yeah, well,
I will message you.
yeah, well, it's becoming beyond the piss take. Keep calling me a paedophile, she's lucky. Because my sister's wanted to smash your fucking head in.
Yeah, right.
Now keep calling.
Right, don't.
Yeah, well,
Talk to me properly.
Tell your daughter. You all just
I just calling on behalf of Battersea. Can we have a chat?
From where?
Battersea?
What's Battersea?
Cats and dogs?
Oh, we don't do cats and dogs. We're black. We don't actually do animals here. Sorry.
Auntie, are you Nigerian by any? Are you Nigerian by any chance?
I'm Nigerian. I've got 4 kids here. Enough. I can't even have one more dog or cat or anything. You know, if not,
okay.
If not, we roast them. We eat them in our country.
Auntie, I'm Nigerian as well, so I know what you mean. But I'll just keep it quick for you, Auntie. We're not here to like give you any pets or anything like that.
No, but my next door neighbor has a dog, so you could go. Both of them, both my next door neighbor, they love their dog. So go knock at their door. They welcome you. Lovely people. Okay. Try that.
Auntie.
All right.
Okay, bye.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Why are you in front of my house?
I'm in front of my own house. I'm installing a door. What the hell's going on? I'm installing my door. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm in front of my own house installing this. I don't know how.
James, there's somebody at our house.
No, it's not.
Look outside. Hello?
Yes, I'm not at your house. I'm at my house. I don't know how your camera is connected to my doorbell. I was just trying to set it up.
I'm gonna need you to get off my property now.
I'm not on your property, ma'am.
Why are you
I'm not in front of your house.